you're experiencing audio desync issues on your PlayStation 5, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem with simple steps. Follow the instructions below to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the settings menu on your PS5. Go to sound and then audio output. Ensure that the correct output device is selected and that the audio format is set to the recommended settings for your device. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for updates and install any available updates. Step 3. Adjust HDMI device link. If you're using an HDMI device, check the HDMI device link settings. Go to Settings, then System, and select HDMI. Disable the HDMI device link option to see if it resolves the audio desync issue. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix audio issues. Turn off your PS5 completely, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in and power it on. This can help reset any temporary glitches. Step 5. Test with different audio devices. If the problem persists, try using a different audio output device. Connect headphones or a different sound system to see if the audio desync occurs with other devices. This can help identify if the issue is with the PS5 or the audio equipment. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync on your PlayStation 5. Enjoy your gaming.